again to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you this delicious recipe. Before we get into today's video, today is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. My name is Dee. So these are the ingredients which I'm going to be using to make this today's recipe. I've got here is I've got cauliflower as well as broccoli. So this broccoli is not like the normal broccoli that you know. This one is like the stick type. I don't know how to I don't know what the name is, but yeah, it's quite different from the kind of broccoli. This one, they are more expensive. And here I got chicken wings, and over here is my potatoes. I peeled this. I'm just going to slice it, as well as I'll be marinating this chicken. Are you ready? Let's get into today's video. So here is my cauliflower and broccoli. I'm going to be adding some ingredients. I'm going to add this all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder, and I'm going to add seasoning cube, to sprinkle a little bit of ground pepper. Just going to give it a little bit of mix together. I'm just going to add a little bit of sunflower oil to coat it before I roast this. That's all I need. I'm going to shake it again to combine everything together. I'm going to roast this in my air fryer. So here is my air fryer. I'm going to transfer this vegetable in here. I'm going to transfer it in there. I'm going to roast this one 180 temperature, 180 degree, and I will be roasting it for 15 minutes. So here's my potatoes. I'm going to cut it into cubes. So I'm going to roast the vegetables now. So I'm going to set it to 15 minutes. At 180 degree. So here it is. I'm done cutting. I'm going to transfer it into this bowl and give it a rinse. I'm just going to transfer it in there. So I'm going to rinse this under a running tap. So now here is my potatoes. I'm going to add some ingredients, spices. Start with this one. My seasoning go in there as well. I'm adding mixed herbs to give it that flavor. Sprinkle a little bit of ground pepper, a little bit of salt. And then I'm adding sunflower oil as well. I'm going to give it a shake and combine all the ingredients together. And I'll be baking this in the oven. Here's my baking tray. I'm going to transfer this potato in there. So here is my potato. I'm going to put this in the oven and roast this about 30 minutes. So here is my chicken wings. I'm going to be adding all the ingredients to marinate this. This is going to go with the roast potato and roast vegetable. Here is the chicken wing. I'm going to marinate it now. I'll start by adding the ingredients. Here is peri-peri seasoning. So I'm going to add this. I'll sprinkle mixed herbs. Add some seasoning as well. All-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, ground pepper. I'm going to add seasoning cube. I'm going to combine this together. Here is my chicken wings. I'm going to fry it under this baking tray. So here is the chicken wings. I'm going to be baking this with, I'm going to be roasting this with the potato together. Here is my roasted vegetables. It's now ready. And I'm going to show you my chicken wing and the roast potatoes. Look at that. Here is my roast potato as well. Look at that. So good. Look at that. Here is the chicken wings, guys. Look at that. Goodness. Look at that. So yummy. I'm going to serve it in a bit. Let's serve our roast potatoes. Serve with vegetables.